Okay, I'm recording the waterfall now.
That's a waterfall?
It's a waterfall. Her Barbies are escaping from. Oh, I'm supposed to record that. Her Barbies are escaping from prison.
Oh yeah, we were talking about this last night.
You were.
Now the actual boat is gonna come down.
They have a radio in there and walkie-talkies. They drowned it.
They drowned.
She sings when she's scared.
I should record you. You're more interesting.
I'm gonna laugh they all like couple over.
Okay,
They probably will.
I feel something bad for all of them. They all drowned. They all drowned.
All except for
No, they drowned. They're dead. Look at them.
this one
She was
and
tough of them. She's not dead yet.
and this one.
They all drowned.
No, you know what?
Jump.
She's so imaginative.
No, she drowned the dog.
She was. They're escaping from prison and they drown.
Okay, that did not happen.
They drowned. Okay.
Our seatbelt didn't work.
Our seatbelt didn't work. Oh gosh, August, you.
Okay, that didn't happen. They're fixing the boat and right now
Play music.
the baby's going on. Okay, now they're fixing the boat. Come help them fix the boat.
You almost kicked me in the face.
Get in
The what?
They're fixing the boat.
Okay, I'm done with their radio. Oh wait. Okay, I'm done.
So they got the seatbelt.
Yeah, it takes Marion or Dee Dee or something to go on.
Right.